The T1000 is a battery-powered, handheld wire harness test system developed by Kenny Industries that offers portability, fast diagnostics, and eliminates the complexities of return cabling. The distributed testing approach allows the user to connect and wirelessly link multiple T1000s to the wire harness under test via each harness connector. Testing is initiated by choosing one of the T1000s to act as the host tester, selecting the harness to be tested from memory and wirelessly linking each of the remaining T1000s back to the host. The linked units working together test each circuit of the harness for opens, shorts, miswires, and resistance threshold. Additionally, the T1000 incorporates other valuable features including TDR for diagnosing distance to shorts and opens. The T1000 weighs just over 700 grams and incorporates an easy-to-use touchscreen interface. Each T1000 has a 128-node test capacity via the snap-in adapter. T1000 testers and custom adapters will be configured to service harness connectors for the type of equipment, aircraft, or vehicle being fielded. The T1000 is a great solution for customers troubleshooting fielded and installed harnesses and cables where portability, accuracy, faster diagnostics, lower downtime, and ease of use are key.